Yo, 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 what up, Garbear? Let me see. It's been a while since our last stream. I gotta... There it is. I'm looking bullish, I'm not gonna lie. I want this high. I'll wait for more people to come in and then I'll show you guys what we've been cooking on recently. Baba. Okay, finally. Let's see. What up, Urban Monk? What up, Krelix? My bad, my bad. I was getting some announcements done. But morning, how's everyone doing? I had so much to do this past week. Alright, looks like we're gonna do a bit of a sell-off at the moment and then hopefully push higher today. Man, the past couple weeks, guys, has been really bad. How's things on your side? It could be better. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. I blew my other 10 funded accounts like yesterday trying to trade it. No excuses. I don't know if you guys watched my video on blowing the 15 funded accounts, the 5 Tradeify and the 10 Apex. Those ones, I felt like I traded decent, and I did everything I needed to do. Just unfortunate market conditions, right? These sets of accounts, I just straight up blew, because I tilted and stuff. So yeah, not a good look, but we're gonna bounce back. I think what I might try doing. Sorry, give me a second. I think what I might try doing is starting over again fresh and then showing you guys starting from $50 again or whatever back to 10K month. I might do like a series on that. We'll see. Yo, what's good, Monk? I'm in Dallas right now. I escaped our hood. Yo, what up? What up, Tom? But so far, off to a pretty damn, bro. That's like learn from the L's. Yep. But yeah, I think if we get a little bit more people in here, I'll show you guys the big announcement that we've been working on. Me and my boy Hoik. Bro, we've been cooking up some hella shit recently. But let me see. Potential sell-off. Really? I honestly still like longs, bro. I'm not convinced by any of this short right here. Who's Hoik? He's the co-owner of the Discord server. He's my brother. He's not actually my brother, but he's basically a brother. So he's like the entire reason I got started trading as well. So you guys will see him soon. I'm thinking of sweeping these London lows and rejecting off that area. Or rejecting off that area. Yeah, I'm thinking that too. But alright, so I guess I'll show you guys what we kind of been cooking up. Let's see. Okay, so if you guys go to the Discord, you guys will see that we have a couple new sections, obviously, but go ahead and start filling them in if you guys have anything related. But we added a gym, gaming, food, music, sports, travel. Obviously, we'll start getting ready to start adding all this different stuff. I post some gym pics if you guys go to the gym. But the big thing is the trading roadmap. So if you guys are struggling with trading or have never traded before, because I get a lot of questions, right, asking how we to get started trading. We did an A to Z guide. Hoik went crazy for you guys. So this is everything you guys need to know about how to start getting started trading from A to Z, basically. First of all, obviously, the first part of day trading is making the decision, right, that you're gonna accomplish any goal, right? And this goes with any goal, right? It's not just trading, but you need to have certain qualities that are, I guess, would be beneficial if you were to learn any new skill or stuff like that, right? And then obviously the next section is going to be day trading. What is day trading, right? The different strategies, right? What different playlists that you guys could watch through, right? We linked a couple different stuff like that. Also, this is the biggest thing. I would recommend you guys go check out this channel, even if you guys already know how to day trade or already know how to trade. Check out all these different videos. I would say if you guys are struggling right now, master all these concepts up here that I linked. You guys could literally just click on the thing right here, right? And yeah, other supplementary concepts that I would say are important. Everything else I feel like is probably just noise. And then obviously the futures, intro to futures if you guys are currently trading Forex or some other stuff right now. We also have what prop firms are. I'm sure you guys already know what that is, right? Click on that as well. And then the last part is really important, I would say. I would recommend you guys go check out the last section if you guys are struggling with like getting payouts or whatever. But yeah, we've just been cooking that up. We also, if you guys don't know, you guys could check out Hoik. He gave you guys a little update in this channel right here. Yeah, we've been working on some. He's been working on a like a software for you guys to like. It's kind of like backtesting, but a little bit different. Sometimes you never really get to test your skills, so he's kind of building like a platform in which you are able to, we kind of test you guys on whether you kind of know what a liquidity sweep is, like which one's a good fair value gap, stuff like that. All for free, of course, for the moment. I do plan on opening up one-on-one calls if you guys want to. I'm not too sure how much I'll like charge, like $50 for like 2 hours. I don't know what people want to do, but just in case you guys want to have more structure, just want to have a one-on-one call. But yeah, it's not a mentorship or anything. It's literally just like I sit down with you guys on a call and you guys tell me what you guys are struggling with trading, and then I'll see what I could do to help you guys. Either that, you could show me your trades, It's honestly just kind of time for you guys to use for whatever you guys want. Like if you guys wanted to watch me backtest, that works too. If you guys wanted to watch some other stuff, but yeah, that is what we've been cooking up, bro. Okay, so we just been selling off, which is fine. I think we want these lows first, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think we're just gonna aim for these London lows. So after sweeping these London lows, we'll see what happens. But I still probably want higher. I definitely want higher. So gonna wait for these lows to get swept and then do something, I guess. Look for a potential reversal. Yeah, no problem, Carlux. We got you guys. Yep. Oh, and then a couple other things that we're adding is see, this is how I got my mind off blowing my accounts, you know? I was just like, I didn't even think about it. We were too busy working, so yeah, what is it? Yo, well, good morning, Trade Breaker. Go ahead and check out the Discord. We had some new stuff for y'all. You know, make sure you go over and react to this fire. We're doing a lot of free stuff, but what was I saying? I really forgot what I was trying to say. I honestly don't even remember what I was saying, I'm not gonna lie. Yep, Herbal Monk, yes sir. But yeah, I think within the next couple weeks, I'll probably add a one-on-one call section. Just so if you guys are interested, obviously me and Hoik will probably sit down with you, if not just me. And you guys just have a one-on-one session, talk to us, see what you guys need improvement on, and we'll see what we could do to help you guys. Yo, what up, Kirk? Townsend, that's a cool last name, I think. But yeah, how's everyone doing besides that? How's everyone's weekend? Alright, then we're about to take this low. But one thing I've been thinking that we could do as well is I was gonna make a video on it soon, but I guess we could review it on stream too. Is we could backtest together, guys. If you I don't know if you guys know, but on FX Replay there's like a little backtesting software where you guys can, or sorry, a little backtesting section where you guys could backtest against other people. There's a couple things that I wish they would be able to change, so I'll probably make a video. And honestly, I probably could get them to change it a couple things, but Yeah, we'll see. Morning, everybody. Let's see. I think for longs, I just want to see us sweep this first, and then maybe inverse this right here. Get a retest, and then take it to these highs. But I really like longs. I really do. Just waiting at the moment for it. Also, make sure you guys are switching contracts to NQZ. We are no longer on NQU. We are NQZ. Rollover is happening. Yeah, man, it kind of sucks that we didn't sweep this, bro. Ideally, we don't push up at all. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll see. How do you switch cons? You go into Tradeovate and just type in NQZ. The some contract rollover always reminds me how close we are to them holidays. Yep. Your stop loss got edged, bro. Good try. Actually, good luck. Honestly, I don't know if I want to take an entry here. If we get a closure. Like, this is what I'm eyeing right here. If we get a 1 minute candle closure above this 5 minute. I mean, the 5 minute's about to close anyways. I don't know if it would be smart though, because we didn't sweep these London lows. If we were to take this trade, I'd probably say go even like lighter size. I'm trying to think. Like, how would I do this? How would I want to do this? Like 8 seconds for this close. I'm not too sure this, because like ES is pretty close to taking these highs, so I feel like it's not bad. It's just, it kind of sucks that we didn't take these London lows. I'll take it on paper. I kind of like this reaction. Oh, straight to TP. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I took this on eval, and I'm up 800. So let's go. I'll show you guys the execution. Okay, so I'm trying funding ticks right now, guys, and honestly, no complaints so far. This is my trade real quick. This candle closed above, right, on this inversion. Wait a second or two. I saw that we continued to push, so oops, I did not mean to close on my paper trade, but I saw that we were still pushing. I entered long, just kind of aiming for this fair value gap right here. And then we got out before the little bit of a reaction, but yeah, just quick 800 bucks V-shape W as well. But yeah, like I said, if you guys are not aware, I did end up blowing my 10 Apex accounts again, which I'm kind of upset about. Getting over it, right? But this time, right? So I don't know if you guys know, my parents came over to visit these past couple days. That's why I was in live Monday and Tuesday. And that's kind of the reason why I blew up the accounts. So whenever obviously my parents don't know I trade yet, right? And I always, whenever I see their face, bro, I always try to like rush the process because I'm trying my best to like, because everything I'm doing at the moment, everything I'm doing in trading, why I want to be successful is for them, right? I don't want to see them working anymore. I want to be able to retire them, right? And whenever I see them, bro, I feel like I have to rush things, and like I'm not able to do it yet, right? And I start rushing things whenever I see them. I start making bad mistakes and bad decisions. So I tried scaling up on Monday, bro, and it was a bad idea, bro. Because I tried making money, bro. Whenever you start trying to make money in the markets, bro, or think about money, bro, that's when you start losing. So that's my mistake. Shouldn't have done that. Should have just been process based, right? Just thought about the process and then go from there, right? But yeah, I couldn't help it. I saw my parents for the first time in a while because they were visiting, and I just, you know, I wanted to make big moves. Basically, I wanted to, like, I don't know, kind of prove to them. Obviously they don't know I trade, like I said, but I don't know, I think it just kind of messed with my brain, right? It kind of messed with my brain, and I kind of just went brain dead mode and blew my account. So I did tilt. So that was like probably the worst trading session I've ever had in my entire, okay, probably not my entire career, but really bad tilt session. So had to reevaluate for a couple of days, honestly. And yeah, but we're better now. Kind of vented my anger, you know, working on some other stuff outside, right, on the Discord. I'm thinking about running about, so my new plan is I kind of want to start running at 5 a.m. I had work last night, so I kind of got on late today, so sorry about that, but I will try to start streaming earlier. But damn, this is a nice trade. Did anyone take this? True bro, same thing with me. I just want to see them chilling, not working. That pressure, yeah, too big got for them. Yeah, that, I think that's the thing. I think the pressure got to me. I was like I felt like I was on track, right? But as soon as you start trying to rush the process, bro, that's like when things go bad, right? So I think I was doing pretty well. Just had to go at my own pace, and yeah. Did anyone take this trade, by the way? This is kind of cooking. There's a couple oh yeah, so there's a couple sales that is going on at the moment, guys. So if you guys go over to the Discord, we currently have 40% off on the Tradeify accounts right now if you guys are using the Project X one. So if you aren't aware, Project X is the platform that Top Step made. So if you guys buy an account with the Project X platform, you guys get 40% off with code Monk. You guys go in the Discord, go to promotions. You guys will have it linked there. As well as Funding Ticks is 35% off all accounts right now. This is probably the biggest sale that they'll do for a while. So if you guys want to trading with Funding Ticks, make sure you head over there. Use code Monk. That's with 3Ks. It's not 2Ks this time. It's 3Ks. Every other firm is 2Ks. But yeah, this is pretty big. Also, let me kind of just change this. Boom, folding, and Funding Ticks. There we go. But yeah, pretty big. Funding Ticks is probably one of my new favorite firms at the moment. But yeah, I'm working on eval with them right now. Made 800 bucks, like I said earlier. And yeah, we'll just kind of slowly grind back up at it. If you guys don't know what Funding Ticks is as well, I have a YouTube video on my... I have a video on my YouTube. All good, Monk. I'm in the same position as you. I'm just fucking... I just hate fucking seeing my parents break their backs for a 9 to 5. Yep, rushing to make money can cause us to neglect our rules and setups. Yep, that's exactly what it is, man. So I'm so happy that there's a lot of people that still really care about their parents and want the best for them, right? I know a lot of kids grew up, you know, their parents did everything for these guys, and they're like the most spoiled fucking obnoxious people ever, bro. Don't care about their parents. Like, hate them, you know, like don't want to repay them for anything at all. Crazy. But yeah, Another setup that I'm potentially looking at is if we inverse this bearish forward gap and head up, this could be a potential re-entry. So, although I will say this is a really fat SMT at the moment, and by the looks of it, ES looks like it might sell off very soon. Glad to born Asian to understand. Yep. Okay, honestly, change of plans, guys. I don't think we're bullish at the moment anymore. I think what's gonna happen is at minimum we kind of take these London lows because ES is starting to sell off. We swept Asia highs on ES, so that could be objective completed. So we might just end up selling off, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, lots of kids take their parents for granted, 100%. I think we end up selling off, I'm not gonna lie. Just because ES kind of swept. We have like double SMTs at the ties right here. We have like double SMTs. Big SMT right here and a smaller one right here. If you guys can see. Alright, an SMT over here, another one over here. This is kind of screaming we might sell off. So, oh yeah. So we also have this 5-minute right here. Another 5-minute right here. So we close below here. Potential sell-off still. I'll take it on paper, obviously. Show you guys again. Now we have lots of resting liquidity at the lows. It will likely be swept and then reversed. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. That's what I'm thinking as well. But yeah, bouncing back from our losses, I think I took another dub. There we go. So I'm out. I'm up about 1100 on my eval at the moment. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna trade one account again and work my way back up. I think I scaled a little bit too quickly, so we'll see. Try to get one payout and then go from there. Dude, a funded account right now, the cheapest in the industry right now, I think they beat Top Step, or sorry, they beat My Funded Futures, is Funding Ticks, bro. It is fucking, how much shit? I got the account for 50 bucks and 5 cents, bro. It's literally the cheapest in the fucking entire, Stop loss is the red line. Let me get. That's crazy, bro. Hold up. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a trade. No activation fee. So it's literally. It is literally My Funded Futures Part 2. You get more accounts. You can scale it more. It's cheaper. It's literally just My Funded Futures. Look at, on God. I swear to God, guys. So I have, go with the Pro Plus. If you guys go with the Pro Plus, right? Make sure it's the 1K payout cap. Where is it? Let me just pull this off to the side real quick. Their server's kind of down right now because so many people are buying an account with them right now. But yeah, okay. So if you guys go right here, right? 50K, 1K. Use code MONK, of course, right? Use code MONK. Obviously, I can't use my own code, but let's just go like use a different code real quick. 50 bucks. 50 bucks, guys. That is insane. And yeah, I have a video already on this. So boom. All right, straight to TP. Let's fucking go. All right, we took 2 dubs today, guys. We took 2 fucking dubs today. $50 for a fucking account, bro. It's free, bro. Profit target is 3K. It's end of day drawdown, so it's like top step in my fund futures. It's not trailing, but it is not. It is 3 days to pass, I believe. So you guys have to trade for 3 days. You guys have to trade for 3 days, bro. My fund futures is still the GOAT, but they never run really big sales, bro. So, it is end of day drawdown. Make sure you guys go to either links, I have it right here, or go to promotions. Boom, 35% off all the fucking sales, bro. They just hit 5 million in payouts. So I honestly don't know how long this what do you call it? I don't know how long this promotion's gonna last, but make sure you guys go check it out while you guys still can. Make sure you use the code monk. That's what monk with 3Ks. Also, let's fucking go though. We're up 2 trades today, I guess. Bro, look at my guys. Look at my paper trade. Any minimum days before payout, you need. It's kind of like what is it? Top Step. You need 5 days of 150. So let me pull up the video for you guys. What do I think about today's FOMC? I think it's gonna be a really big one. So I think it just might destroy the market today. I'm surprised we got decent movement. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, this is the cleanest price action has been, I will say, in forever. I kid you not. Like I'm reading it like really easily right now. So we inverse this. I'm not gonna take it. This one's a little bit riskier. I would say try to wait until over here to take another long. But bro, I think we've just been reading the market pretty decent. We took 2 dubs already, bro, on stream. I'm up about 1,200, 1,100. Can I analyze gold? Bro, I don't trade gold, bro. GC. Yeah. Gold. Okay, so we're obviously pushing. We're kind of hanging around London highs. I don't know what these other correlation is with gold. I don't know, but yo, what up, Woo? Hey, lots of news, bro. You missed, bro. Lots of news, but basically, I'll kind of run you through it. Oh, silver. Okay. I don't know what silver's doing right now. Looks like we're in an uptrend though. I think even though we kind of pushed London highs right here, but starting to reject down. We like all this low resistance liquidity that we didn't quite run. I would try to look for longs, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time I probably want to see a sell-off just a little bit, like a retrace, like maybe 50%, and then go. Because look, we still have lots of targets to the upside, right? So I'm looking at something like that. You're finished? School started for me now. I'm finished. Oh, so you just got done with school? Welcome back. Welcome back. What did you miss? All right, couple things. Blew my account on Monday. I blew my 10 Apex accounts. Yada yada yada. Nobody cares, right? That one I traded bad. We'll get over it. But I was kind of working. Me and Hoik, right? So if you guys don't know who Hoik is, he is the co-owner of the Discord, the trading tribe. Yo, what up, Joel? He is the co-owner of the. Okay, yeah. So now we're starting to get more regulars in here. Let me go ahead and kind of recap with you guys. Hoik and I have been working on with you guys, as you guys can see, you know, he's right here. We open up all these other sections, so I'll start adding them soon. Obviously, no, they're already added, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I meant add as in like, you know, adding, you know, my gym pictures or gaming. So you guys, just a couple more sections to talk about in real life, just outside of trading, right? If you guys are interested. But the main thing is we added a trading roadmap. So Hoik and I have been working on this for you guys. He went ahead and just added a whole bunch of new content. So if you guys have never traded before, this is still useful for people who have been funded and traded. It's just a complete roadmap on how to get started trading. Everything's free, of course, right? What is day trading, the different strategies, the different videos like you guys can get started with, the videos. This is probably the most useful section for you guys if you already know how to trade. I would say, like, we linked a couple videos. I would say check them out. like 100%. These are 100% things that you guys need to know on how I trade specifically. This is all the things that I use to trade, and then obviously a little bit SMTs and stuff like that. Futures, obviously intro to futures. If you guys are currently trading Forex at the moment, you know, how do you trade futures? Like, what is futures? Stuff like that. Obviously prop firms, how to use them. You know, go ahead and click my link, whatever. But this is also my favorite part right here. He added a psychology part where he adds couple different triggers if you guys are currently like tilting or, you know, stuff like that, and what you guys could do to kind of manage that. So he added a couple scenarios for you guys. But yeah, go ahead and give him a like. You know, he fucking went, he broke his back out for y'all. But Prelux, how much did I spend total on the almost 2K? It was pretty, I think it might have been 2K. So I blew through like a shit ton of money already on those Apex accounts, which I'm a fucking idiot for, because I couldn't get the payout. But that's why I'm slowing it down. When is that software dropping? Very soon. I mean, it's kind of in the early stages of development right now, but it's kind of like, was it before? This was after my payout already. Yeah. I'm up 10K already on the month, just from trading one account. Or sorry, all those Tradify accounts. It would have been nice to have those 10 accounts still so I could get a 20K payout, but yeah, I went through everything. My man really worked his ass off. That's what I'm saying, bro. Go drop. So he added an update sections for you guys. Obviously, you guys can see all the different stuff, but it's gonna be like more of like a quiz section, like a little Quizlet if you guys have used Quizlet, or like, because you know there's backtesting, but there's also like, you know, we want to show you guys like what would you do in this scenario, right? What the situation is. Obviously, when you're trading, you want to have multiple contexts, right? But we just want to test you guys real quick to see where you guys are at. Obviously, we'll provide you guys with the context and everything you guys need. But I think this could be a good gauge for us if you guys do want to see where you guys are at in trading. Because like when I look at the charts, I just need to give it like a second or two to kind of understand where I want to be in the market, or like if I want to be long or I want to be short. Last week's been rough. Yeah, it really has. X Vibra. Z. That isn't, I don't know how to pronounce that, but also, I plan on doing like one-on-one calls. Like I'll just add a little section somewhere where you guys, if you guys ever wanted, just book a call. How much would you guys think is realistic for like 2 hours or an hour 30 of your time, or my time, sorry, as well? Like, what's a realistic price point? Because I'm not trying to charge $10 trillion, bro. Like, what would be fair for you guys in your guys' eyes? Because I do plan on doing a one-on-one call. It's not a mentorship or anything. It's literally you guys book a call if you guys wanted with me, right? And if you guys needed any guidance or like me pointing you guys in the right direction, like how to backtest. If you guys just wanted me to, literally you could spend the entire hour 30, whatever. I don't know how long I'm gonna do it for. Just if you guys literally just come in and are like, yo Monk, can you like backtest for like an hour 30? I'm like, sure, I got you. But if there's more specific things that you wanted to work on, like, hey, can you review my trades for me? Like, why did these ones lose? Other stuff like that, right? I'm down. That's why because I don't really like courses. I want it to be more interactive, right? I feel like with the course you can only do so much. Maybe I'll come out with one later down the line, like way later, but I really don't like courses because they're not really interactive. I love one-on-one calls more. It's not even like I don't want to do a mentorship yet right now either, because I feel like I'm not qualified to do that. But I think one-on-one calls are perfect, especially being someone who's probably gotten close to like 30K, maybe 40K in payouts. Obviously I spent a shit ton as well on evals, but what do you call it? I think I'm in a decent spot where if you guys need a little push in the right direction, one-on-one calls will be nice. But yeah, check your trade. I got you. Let's see. Wait, you didn't post it. Boom. Put it in the executions. Put in the executions. Okay, let's see. No, wait, did you snipe this? Yo, did you snipe this? Okay. You got the inversion up there? You took the inversion up there. Remember us before you blow up, Monk. And to be honest, you kind of trade like Alex O. Do I? I've seen Alex recently a lot on my videos recently, or on my For You page. He's pretty cool. He uses a lot of standard deviation and candle flips, like the 4-hour. I'm more of a scalper, but I like this though. We got a really nice liquidity sweep. We had big SMTs. I think the main reason I kind of took the trade that you took, Woom. But different confluences. I took mine down here after the 5-minute candle closure flipped. So right here, right? I took it after the 5-minute closed on the 1 minute. So I took it right here instead. But I guess you got the snipe, bro. You got the snipe for real. Up here. Yeah, you got the opening market move, bro. That's a nice trade right there. Had all these liquidity. Got a liquidity sweep. SMTs. I waited for the double SMT. So I had this SMT plus this SMT. And then waited for the 5 minutes to get broken. Got a candle closure. And then just straight to TP. And then now I'm up $600 on that trade. It was 30 points. So I had a better fill. 30 points. Straight to TP. And then the other trade that we took was this one. So I'm up about 1,200 on my Funding Ticks account right now. Like I said, Funding Ticks is 35% off, guys. So if you guys are not trading with them, make sure you make an account. Get started with them. That's a fire trade, bruh. But yeah, a lot less people today because you know, we haven't been streaming recently. But you know, we gotta get their numbers back. What I would like to see right here is if we close above all this chop, this would be really good. If we close above all this chop right here, this would be really good for longs, in my opinion. But I already took 2 trades, 2 W's. We're not gonna mess with it. Especially with FOMC later today, I would not be surprised. FX replay. Wait, what is it? Wait, what's it called? Oh, Forex Factory. So yeah, FOMC later. Would not be surprised if we start chopping soon. So this entire price leg, we caught the decent moves. But yeah. So we did close above, but like I said, I want to see continuation in this direction before continuing higher. So if we continue to chop, not a good sign. Flex muscle on us? Hell no, bro. Hell no. Oh wait, you know what? Okay, I might as well post an old pic from a couple years ago. Here. So we'll make use of the new gym section, right, that we added, guys. So if you guys go to the gym, right? If you guys go to the gym, make sure you post your gym pic in here. I'll be the guy that breaks the ice, right? I'll be the guy that breaks the ice and puts it in first, I guess. But just know, honestly, I'm kind of in the same spot. I haven't moved up in weight a lot, like recently, so yeah. You know, I'm probably at the same spot that you guys will see in the video or in the picture. Let me go ahead and post it. Give me a second. I'm going on my phone real quick. Go to the gym section, add it. Okay, let's see. Where is it? This was funny too, because this was around, I took this picture around the same time I got my first ever payout. So, you know, a bit of nostalgia factor in there. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I guess. Or what date was this? Let me check. Okay. Get ready for the drop, guys. If you guys want to see what the progress is looking like, go to the Discord. Go to the gym section right now. You just start 5 a.m. jogs and workouts. I'm gonna love that gym section. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I like that. I love to hear that. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Cause like I think before the market opens, obviously I'm trying to build even more discipline, right? So I'm thinking about waking up at 5 a.m. just going for like a mile run, maybe 2 miles. Just get the mind right before we even hop on the charts, get home, eat a little bit, hop on the charts, get super energized, right? Stuff like that. I think I want to do that. I really do. So, okay, November 1st, 2023. Wow, that's been a while, bro. All right, y'all. Pick from a while ago. November. Wait, what day was it? November 1st, 2003. November 2023. There you go. Go check it out if you want. I don't know if I'll put it on stream. Yeah, you know what? I'll show you guys. I guess. You know, pick from a wall. This was almost 2 years ago, bro. I think I'm smaller than I was, bro. Fuck. I lost so much weight, bro. I've been trying to gain weight. Bro. But like, right here, I think I'm around 140. I'm still the same weight right here, bro. It kind of sucks. I peaked 150 though. So 63, wait. 60 kg. Yeah, so I'm around like 64 kg at the moment. Bro, I peaked probably 68 kg. Like the heaviest I've ever been was like 68 kg. But man, bro, fuck, I want to go back. I just eating's a chore for me, bro. Cause I burn through all my shit. I have to eat like 6 meals a day to be able to maintain, or not maintain, to bulk. Otherwise, I'll just like burn through everything. My goal weight is probably 165, 170 maybe. I think I'm trying to get to 170. But yeah, honestly, so market's not doing anything anymore. I'm not really interested. I still want to look for longs. So if we don't get longs, I'm not really interested in trading. We already took 2 dubs on the day. So, what I'm thinking is we could hop on FX replay. So if you guys have FX replay, make sure you guys go to FX replay real quick. Hold up. FX replay. Let me pull it up. Give me a second. Okay. Go ahead, guys. If you guys want to backtest with me at the moment, go to battles. Go to FX replay and go to battles, guys. Go to battles and I'll make a battle, all right? So you guys can backtest against me, and we'll see who does better. All right. So new battle, casual, monk. All right. Account balance 10k, sure. Duration, max participants. We'll do 10. I don't know who's gonna play. Oops. What the hell? Okay, I don't know why it crashed. Like I said, I was gonna make a video on this very soon. We'll do NQ. Monk. Don't worry, I'll send you guys the ID to trade, and then monks don't have girls, bro. We are focused. Yo. Oh wait, I didn't even read the chat. Let's see. Monk is actually even more shredded. He's hiding right now. I'm finna goon to this, bro. What the fuck? Let me take over, monks. Yo, y'all are crazy, bro. Okay, I'll put it in the chat. Go click that link to join. Go click that link to join. We'll give it a little bit for you guys to be able to join. But yeah, we'll backtest against each other. The one thing I wish that they would change is being able to trade the same exact time, bro. Like they put you at random. So like I'm telling you guys might be trading at NQ when it was like trading at 4,000 from like 20 years ago, bro. So like actually good luck, bro. I remember I was like backtesting against Hoik. I got my ass clapped because I was trading price action from like 2007 or 1970 or some whatever bullshit. It was so bad, bro. Oh my god, it was so funny. All right, who else is joining? Come on, join in, boys. Join in. Monk, watch out while backtesting. Don't drop the soap. Hey, yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Who? All right, we'll give it a couple more minutes for you guys to join. If you guys want to backtest. This is honestly looking bearish though. As much as I want to be bullish, I think we might be bearish, boys. So be careful on actual NQ. I think potential for our fair value at fill. So we're in the 4 hours, so we're potentially reaching for this low over here. Okay, there's another one. It's gotta be Tom, bro. Actually. Do you have to pay a sub for FX read? No. It's free. Go. You literally go on the free. There's like a free section now. You don't have to pay to use FX replay. You don't have to pay anymore. You don't have to pay. Like I'm on the free version or whatever. There's a free version. It's not even a free trial. It's a free version. We'll give it like 3 more minutes so you could join. But yeah, quick reminder. TakeProfitTrader 35% off. Funding ticks. Actually, no. TakeProfitTrader 40% off. Funding ticks 35% off. Yeah. You know, get your thing. And then yeah, I guess we'll almost get started. Good luck to you. The only rules I will say is obviously people when you're trading, when you're doing backtesting, you guys could like go a shit ton of drawdown. Oh wait, you guys could like risk the entire account. I would say the max risk, only risk, like the max is risk only $300 max, guys. Like risk $300 max. Don't trade any more than that, because obviously you guys can make easy money by risking 900, right? Going for 1-to-1. Let's just try to risk $300 max, right? And then I'll give it 1 more minute, see if anyone else joins. But let me send the link 1 more time, just in case you guys want to join again. We'll do a quick back testing session live while we wait for the market to figure out what the fuck it wants to do. We already took our dub, so you know we're gonna walk away. But yeah, that's the thing. I'm debating tomorrow, like tomorrow morning, if you guys see a post in the gym section, right? If you guys see a post in the gym section where it's just me running outside, then yeah, then that just means that I was up at 5 a.m. going for a run. Also, you know, if you guys ever get some nice food or gaming or sports, or you guys traveling anywhere, make sure you guys post that as well. I'm trying to make this the best futures Discord out there, bro. Actually, the trading tribe is gonna be #1. Wait for me. Okay, I got you. You good. We'll give it a little bit more time. You got 3 minutes to join, bro, before it auto takes us in. We got Elo as well, bro. Yeah, we are just selling off. Whew. Very choppy though, so. Bro, it's bringing me to subscription. I'm gonna just tamper with y'all. Or tape read with y'all. Really? No, like, even if it brings you to the paid section, there was like a section for me where it just said free version or something. All right, there we go. Y'all ready? Let us get started. How do I do this? Start battle. All right, here. Start. Ready? Let's do it. Good luck, y'all. Let's backtest. Okay, I'm trading at 7K, so I don't think it's too bad. Uh, 100%. Shit, we trading at all-time highs again on this. Oh wait, no, we're not. Okay. Oh, someone's already down. Oh wait, no, that's not what I meant to do. Risk $300 max, sure. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I get a re-entry. There you go. Gotta make back my money. No! It's gonna hit stop loss again. There we go, TP. Okay. See what the actual the actual market is dumping, which is good. There we go. That's what we wanted. Looking long, yeah, looking bullish. Sweep that. Okay, who just hit a 14% trade, bro? What the hell? Yeah, y'all are risking 300, right? y'all trading the same shit as me? Oh shit, I should have gone break even. I knew I should have gone break even. Fuck. Re-entry right here. Aim for higher. Oh shit, there we go. Scale 25, I guess. Man. Okay, someone hit their daily loss limit already. Who? I'll see you tomorrow, next class. I'll see you later, Krelix. Good luck in school. I will see you later, brother. Peace, peace. Alright, who's winning, bro? Okay, I'm the only one in drawdown. Of course, Hoik is up at the fucking top, doing whatever he's doing. 20s up 27%. God bless. God bless. I knew I should have just entered, bro. Fuck me. Damn, we got some demons in here. Wait, I'm actually getting destroyed in the market, bro. Hold up. Who's up? No, I didn't get the entry, bruh. No way. Bro, I need to hit a banger trade and soon, bro. Why is Hoik up 32%, bro? What the fuck? Yeah, for sure. Okay, maybe I'm just like the worst back tester ever. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm actually the worst back tester of all time. Holy shit. Okay, we got 2 minutes. I gotta at least go break even, bro. Shit. Oh my god. Y'all are demons, bro. No. No. 20 seconds, bro. Alright, I'm about to full port. Hold up. Damn, yo, everyone just full ported or some shit. No, I fucking lost. I made 300 bucks, bro. Oh my god. The market didn't go anywhere. I still like shorts though, but see the podium. Wait, what the fuck? Hey, this is, oh my god, this guy went all in. That's okay. Who's penguin? Who's at the top? Look at these gamblers down here, bro. Look at, hey, bro, what the hell? Hey, congratulations. Hey, we had the 9-win, 1-loss guy. You okay? Let's go. Who's second, bro? All right, let's go back to the normal YouTube chat. I'm getting ready to end stream, but thank you guys for tuning in. Who got first? Hey, Tom, you were at number 1. All right, who's number 2? Who's number 2? Who's number 2? Who's number 2 and who's number 3? Who's number 2? Who's number 3? Who's number 2? Who's number 3? God damn, good shit though. Good shit though. But that is probably the end of the stream, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, we are currently working on evals at the moment. I'm trading with Funding Ticks right now. Make sure you guys go grab an account with them. 35% off all the accounts. I did buy an account for 50 bucks basically. So 50 bucks all in, no activation fee. XV, bruh. Z, I'm just gonna call you Zebra. Good shot. Good shit. You got third? Nice. But thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Back to the streams tomorrow and Friday. Make sure you guys use code MONK on all platforms, stuff like that. Peace. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.